Candy of coconut. A dessert from Mexico. Serves 4. You will need 5 ingredients. Step 1. Boil the coconut pulp with 1 cup coconut milk until the mixture is almost dry. Step 2. Mix the yolks with 1 cup milk and sugar, saving a little of this mixture to brush on the candy. Step 3. Mix everything together and put it in a refractory mold, covering the candy with the sugar mixture you had set aside. Step 4. Bake these candies in the oven at 170 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Step 5. Remove the mold from the furnace, let it cool, cut the candy into little squares and enjoy. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.